Hey guys, so this is like very quick video for the Xiaomi Truclean W20 wet dry vacuum. So you have like true 3-in-1 cleaning. So vacuuming, mopping and self-cleaning, it can be like great. You have like great mopping action, real-time water cleaning, edge cleaning actually work, anti-hair clumping design, one-tap self-cleaning. But what are the cons, right? No carpets. Okay, big one. Do not use the surface of carpets, blankets and other fabrics. Very important. No hot air drying. There is no mention of hot air drying as now common with other models. So there is no drying function. The roller brush spins dry but doesn't heat dry. So this is a very important thing, that if you're looking for like the heat dry, this is something that you don't have. Also, only 30 minutes battery life. So like 30 minutes of battery life when fully charged. So maybe if you have like bigger house, you have to expect it's not going to be like enough if you need it. It's a heavy unit. So that's like another thing. You have like 4.2 kilos. And water stains when crossing thresholds. So when the vacuum crosses the threshold for floor cleaning, the machine is suspended from the ground. Self-cleaning isn't perfect. And that's another thing. And no foam cleaning allowed too. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Hope this video provided a little bit of value. I want to make it like quick and effective, what you can actually expect from it. And have a great day and goodbye.